Let's create Sofia Rich's inspired face shade using Makeup by Mario products only. Hi there and welcome to my face shade channel. If you love makeup, art and face shade, you are at the right place. If we haven't met before, I'm Lisa Conrich and in today's video I'll take you on a journey as we draw Sofia Rich's gorgeous makeup, no makeup look using Makeup by Mario makeup. I'll highlight one of my favorite palettes out there. It's Ethereal Eyes eyeshadow palette. The combination of this palette's color are simply a match made in heaven for Sofia's natural makeup looks. Let's dive in. So besides the formula, what I love about this palette is that this is the perfect mix of matte shades, what you need to recreate the skin color complexion. The first step, not always, but if I want to recreate the darker skin color complexion or I just want the sun-kissed kind of effect, I'm using this technique. If you want to see more of this process, make sure to watch this video about dark skin tone face shades. While I put this base layer out to dry, I'd love to talk a little bit what I'm doing here. Designing makeup on paper, also known as face charting, is a valuable yet underrated niche within the artistry of makeup. Actually, it's the perfect addition for any makeup artist who wants to stand out from the rest. And if you're excited about this, give this video a like and be sure to subscribe so you will have videos like this every single week. And if you are serious about your game of makeup, your skill set and your expertise, I've created a guide just for you and you can get it for free in the description below. It's a 5-step face shade formula including this template and it shows you exact steps to take for improving your face shade skills. You have nothing to lose, go grab it and download it now. This guide has already helped so many makeup artists unlock their full creative potential. Now let's continue with the video. We created basically the transition color and undertone. You can create cool or warm undertone by adding more yellow for warm tones or blue for cool undertones. The only thing we need to do is to add shadows and highlights to give the face dimensional effect. I absolutely love Sofia and her beautiful natural makeup. She inspired me lately with her style and I wanted to recreate her everyday look on paper. Looking at the reference picture, I'm trying not only to recreate her makeup, but shadows under the cheekbone for instance, so it looks like her eventually. Sketching out the shadows at the nose bridge using lighter shades and then slowly building desired intensity. To recreate realistic skin fold, we need to add slightly darker shade in the crease. That's why I'm using stencil for a sharp edge. Blend it out using lighter shades toward the brow bone. For natural look, try not to go too dark. Build values slowly by adding darker shades until satisfied. In this case, eyebrow outlines are sketched out, so what I need to do is to add darker shade and blend out towards the beginning of the brow, creating kind of natural ombre effect. If you would like some videos with quick tips, here is a playlist with shorts you have to watch. The eyelashes. I received so much feedback regarding eyelashes and it seems to be one of the most difficult parts. But I promise you it's so simple. If you understand the formula, then you will be able to draw any type of lashes every single time. The same for eyebrows. All you need to learn is a base to be able to draw any brow you wish. In this case, I was trying to recreate Sophia's natural brow hairs. If you watched some of my videos, you might notice that I'm using stencils a lot. There is reason for this. Let me know if you want to know more about. To be able to achieve realistic glossy lips naturally, you don't use any makeup, any gloss, but try to mimic wetness, the glossy effect using art supplies. When the face shirt is almost finished, I like to bring back the contrast, going over with pencils, intensifying the outlines. This is the natural Sophia's makeup no makeup look. I hope you enjoyed the process. Let me know in the comments what you would love to see more of, or who you would love me to draw and what makeup to use. And like I said, if you're really serious about your artistry of makeup, I've created this free guide for you, which is all about how to do face shirt, the 5-step face shirt formula, which I know is super helpful for you, and it's been super valuable for artists just like you, so be sure to grab it below. Like I said, it's free. You got nothing to lose. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for new face shirt videos each week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!